Hello, Ethiopian court stories followers. Today I've got another juicy court drama for you. One that's packed with workplace drama, legal showdowns, and a fight for justice. Grab a seat and get ready. This time we're diving into the case of Ethiopian Airlines Group versus Mr. Markos Yesuwork, full of drama, workplace politics, and just a little bit of media frenzy. Let's jump in. Our story begins with Mr. Markos, who was working as an aircraft maintenance technician at Ethiopian Airlines. Sounds like a solid gig, right? Well, not for long. Markos also had a side hustle. He was the vice chairman of the workers' union. But here's where things get spicy. Markos gets involved in an interview with Nahu TV and Fidel Post YouTube channel, where he spills some serious workplace tea about alleged unfair treatment and shady management practices. His employer? Not too happy. They fire him, accusing him of spreading false information and disrupting workplace peace. Drama. But hold on, Markos isn't going down without a fight. He says, hey, I wasn't just trash talking for fun. I was doing my job as a union leader, representing the workers. He takes his case to the federal court of first instance, claiming wrongful termination. He demands to be reinstated with back pay or compensated with various fees if he's not brought back. The court dives into the situation, examining the interviews and evidence. After some careful sipping of legal tea, they conclude that Markos wasn't just running his mouth. He was acting under the union's orders. In fact, his comments were based on grievances about workplace violations, and there was no proof that his words were false or defamatory. They ruled that Markos should be compensated and that the dismissal was illegal. Not satisfied with this outcome, Ethiopian Airlines appeals to the Federal High Court, insisting that Markos had harmed the company's reputation. But the High Court wasn't buying it. They say, look, the man was just doing his job as a union leader. His comments didn't destroy the company's reputation, and if anything, the company needs to chill. They ordered Markos to be paid 1 year's salary in arrears and reinstated him to his job. Score 1 for Markos. Ethiopian Airlines, not ready to throw in the towel, files another appeal to the Supreme Court Cassation Division. Their argument? They insist Markos's actions caused real damage to the company, saying his comments were like a corporate punch to the gut. But the court isn't swayed. They review everything and conclude that Markos didn't commit any crime or violation related to his job duties. Plus, they decide that reinstating him won't cause any big problems in the workplace. Final verdict. The Supreme Court says, Markos, you're getting your job back, and on top of that, 1 year's salary in arrears. Boom. The court wraps it up, telling Ethiopian Airlines to chill out, pay up, and welcome Markos back with open arms. And there you have it, folks, another wild legal ride. So remember, when you're doing your job, especially in union matters, stay strong like Markos. Please follow us for more legal stories and court drama from the Ethiopian judicial world. You don't want to miss what's coming next.